Hi, I'm Jim,
I'm Karen.
and we do slow travel across the globe.
The video that you're about ready to see is about our 3-day stay in Frankfurt. We stayed there for May 2nd, we landed, and we left on May 5th. So it's a little bit of our walking around and of our hotel, and we hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned to the end.
And we'll do a review on the hotel and the city itself. No idea what this castle-looking thing is over here,
I don't know either.
but it's a castle-looking thing.
I've never been here before.
We've never been here before.
Well, that's not true. About 15 years ago, we came here and picked up a car, but left from the airport.
Yeah, but we left right from the airport, so we really didn't see anything.
Nope.
We came across this statue while walking in Frankfurt. Kind of a whimsical.
Well, here again.
We are in Frankfurt.
We're in Frankfurt, Germany.
And this is the
Just
Hilton
arrived.
City Centre. We've got a shower.
A gorgeous shower. Look at everything, it's brushed gold.
Old gold fixtures.
Look at, I have a tub.
We got a sink too, babe. And towels. And look at the tub. Oh my God.
There's a tub bath in my future.
Maybe we can do it together.
Oh, let's not think.
No, that'll never happen. Never mind.
I think we displaced too much water.
Too much information.
Look at the
Okay,
beautiful
we're gonna
coffee.
do the storage.
Robes, slippers.
Robes and slippers again.
And this good slip.
Good, better slippers than Bosnia. Nothing against Bosnia, but the slippers are better.
Look at the beautiful coffee.
Coffee, goodies, and I think this is a refrigerator. No? Oh, courtesy bar.
But we have.
Tea.
We are on the 11th floor, therefore we're part of the executive lounge.
Yes, we get to be in the executive lounge.
King size bed.
King size bed.
With Hilton pillows.
With Hilton pillows. There's a picture of Karen, I think. Isn't that when you were doing ballet, babe? Or
Yeah.
Mhm.
Right before
And
my break dancing.
We got a lounger. And we got another monstrous TV.
Look at this.
And then we're going to walk over to the window and just show you outside. That's Manhattan.
Manhattan.
Instead of Manhattan, Frankfurt, they call Manhattan.
I don't want to leave.
Now we're in the executive lounge. And we've got beer and water, dishes, soda, juice.
Here we go, Jimmy.
And yet another statue. This city is full of them. This one a little less weird. We found a great place for coffee. I'm going to turn this camera around and give you an idea of where we're sitting.
It's noon on Sunday, and what you hear is all the church bells going off around us.
Sometimes when you're wandering around, you come up to an area that you didn't expect. And this is one of them. And we are heading to the Frankfurt Cathedral.
I couldn't have a bigger smile on my face.
Yeah, Karen is happy face. We may try to show her happy face.
Yeah.
Now walking on the Main River, I don't know what they call it. Walking along the river, and one of the things that caught my eye was the geese. And of course we have Starbucks with Karen walking in front of me. Okay, now that you saw the video, I have to make a confession. I wasn't expecting Frankfurt to be anything like what I saw.
What'd you think?
I thought it was going to be all big buildings, a lot of businesses, and nothing else. And you can tell by the video, that's not the case.
No, I think I was a little bit surprised by Old Town too, but we were right on the cusp. We had about a 5-10 minute walk to Old Town and a 5-minute walk to the city, the center, the business center. So the hotel was placed perfectly. We love the hotel.
Yep, and you can tell by the video, it was a pretty big room. We were in executive suite, which was the way to go because the food was included, the breakfast was included, the lounge was beautiful. That's nice at night for a snack.
And it did not disappoint at all. I love having the availability to the juices and different things and waters during the day. And the breakfast was, I think it's one of the largest breakfasts.
Yeah, it was a really, really good breakfast.
We really enjoyed Frankfurt. Did you? I did.
I would go back again. I think I would go back again because 3 days really, to me, wasn't enough. How about you? She's speechless.
I would go back again because of what we did. We flew in. I would use it as definitely a hub. Take a couple of days to look downtown and walk around, and I would do that again. We had great weather.
Yeah, I enjoy it thoroughly. Just so you know, we're in Germany for 3 months.
3 months.
And after you watch this video, the next one we release will be from where we sit right now.
Which is a surprise.
So
stay tuned. We hope you enjoyed the video. We're really looking forward to exploring Germany and bringing it to you.
Yep. Until then.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.